Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Alteryx class, and today I'm gonna show you a simple way to change the language in our Alteryx Designer. Let's do it together. Guys, you already seen my interface, my Alteryx Designer interface, so I'm gonna just going up until this option section and then click once. Then I have to move on to user settings and then edit user settings. And in these editing settings, you will see a lot of options. One of them is called localization, this one. So you have to click one in localization, then you have the interface language over here, the options available. If you click once, you can select one of these, okay? There are a lot of options. I'm gonna change, for example, for Portuguese, because I'm Brazilian, so I'm gonna change for Portuguese, but you can also change for Spanish, Italian, French. It's depend of your options, okay? So I'm gonna change for Portuguese, for example. So guys, one interesting about Alteryx is that when you select any language over here, you will see the spell format different from English, because I'm using the English interface. But if I look at, for example, Portuguese, this is spelled, it's like Portuguese, exactly how Portuguese people spell Portuguese, okay? This is the right way to spell the Portuguese. So Alteryx use the name of the language in your own language. That's something interesting and really nice for us to at least understand better how other language works, right? So I'm gonna change, for example, my interface for Portuguese, and there are more options over here. One important that I want to highlight to you is this one related to numbers, okay? Decimal numbers. Here you can select, for example, I'm working with a Brazilian company, for instance, and I want to just change the way that Alteryx understand the numbers in my dataset, because my dataset received numbers in Portuguese structure, which means that the thousand separator, it's like not, for example, comma, it's about period. Okay, so I can just click once and I can change, and decimal symbols I can change as well for comma, for example. But sometimes I can receive in another structure. I can choose here like comma in thousand separated and period in decimal symbol. All right, so you can change either the interface language or the format of numbers. So you can use one format of numbers to English format, and you can use the interface language in another language, for example, Portuguese in our case. Also, guys, we can moving down a little bit just to change the system font. For example, your brand has a specific font that you already installed in your computer, so you can choose these fonts over here. For example, DR, we use the Unisans font, so I'm gonna just change a little bit. This is an extra clue for you because this video is related to change the language, but I'm gonna just show you something more. So I'm gonna change it over here for Unisans book, for example, and then I can just save it, and instantaneously Alteryx just change everything for the format that you already choose it, okay? So as you can see here, all the informations are in Portuguese right now. If I want to just moving back once again, options, then user settings again, and these sections over here, just select localization, and then choose the interface language, in this case English, and then you can choose how Alteryx understand the numbers. For example, will be period and here comma. That's perfect. You can also change the font of the system and then save it, and you will see instantaneously Alteryx change everything for the new language. That's right. Guys, this is how can we change the language, and also I sent you a new clue about how to change the fonts of the system. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share this video for more people that will be interested in this subject, this data market subject. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye.